What up, you guys? I hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm going to be riding my beautiful 2004 CB 919 Hornet in the rain because I didn't plan, essentially. And now I'm dealing with the consequences of not planning ahead. And that is riding in the rain. And I'm riding in just a sweatshirt because I brought my leather jacket, and I'm not trying to ruin my expensive, to me, leather jacket, which was only like $250, which is essentially nothing for motorcycle gear, really, but to me, that's a decent chunk of money, so not trying to ruin that. So we're going to try to take it somewhat easy here. Especially because we got no ABS, no traction control, none of that, so yeah. And plus it's going to be cold. It's like 50 something degrees right now, and it's like cold raining out, so it's not like warm rain like Florida or somewhere like that. It's going to be pretty brutal towards the end of it here. I thought, why suffer by myself? Might as well document my suffering.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up.
Anyone new to this channel, this is my first bike. This is the bike that I started out on. This is what I learned how to ride on. Damn it, didn't realize I was pretty much out of gas, so we're going to have to stop at the gas station too. Yeah, it's already pretty cold, and I'm only like right down the road. There we go. Crazy this morning. I had some dude like totally come over and try to cut me off right as I was on the exit. I was side by side with him, and he just starts merging into my lane. And like homie who was all driving hella weird for like the rest of the way, so I just gave him a lot of distance. Could have gone mad, could have freaked out about it, but I was just like, whatever. I'm gonna give him distance, let him figure out what the hell he's doing. Because believe it or not, when you're on a motorcycle, you're vulnerable, so I personally don't see it worth to try to instigate things or anything like that. If somebody does something that's kind of like weird or pisses me off, I just kind of think to myself, I'm like, damn, that person is dumb as hell. And then I kind of go on with my day, you know? Be like, damn, that sucked to be that stupid, you know? Go on with my day. Really hope my phone doesn't get soaked. I already know I'm going to be fully drenched by the time I get back. Yeah, it's pretty slick out. You can always tell if you take your foot and you drag it on the ground, you can kind of feel how the texture of the ground is. Gotta be careful along the way. Pacific Northwest drivers, even though it rains like half the year here, whenever we have a little break from it and we get more rain again, they completely forget how to drive in it. You should see it when it gets snowy over here. People just like completely forget how to drive. It's like their first day behind the wheel again. It doesn't help that we don't have like we have a decent infrastructure for snow and shit, but Could be a lot better, really. If I'm in this lane, especially if it's raining or something, I tend to like to hold to this side unless there's a bunch of, like, let's say I'm on the freeway and there's an exit and I know that there's gonna be a lot of traffic in between the left lane and the right lane. If it's a 2-lane, I'll get over on the right side so the people that are merging in can see me through their mirrors, because if I can see them, their face through their mirrors, that means they can see me. So I'll usually position myself like that if I have a risk of people coming in from this way. If I have a risk of people turning in front of me from the other way, I tend to go this way. So it really kind of just depends on the road for me. Everybody has their own way of, like, safe riding or whatever, you know. But my main thing when it comes to trying to ride safe is I position myself the best that I can, move a lot if I feel like they might not notice me. Because naturally our eyes pick up movement. If you're going one steady speed and your light's just facing one direction, not moving, it's going to be harder for them to notice than if you move around. So, like, if it's really, really bad visibility, I'll even just leave my hazards on. People can get butthurt about it if they want, like, why you got your hazard on or whatever, but I'd rather be seen than care about what pissing people off or anything. Yes. The gas light's on. Can't believe there's 20. I've already put 6,000 miles on this thing. Crazy. My first year of riding, I have put a little over 14,000 on my bikes total. I don't know what, like, a crazy number is, but I feel like that's quite a bit of miles. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping, but 14,000 seems like quite a bit. My old subscribers might recognize that. This is my G35 that I had before I got this girl. I actually sold the G35 so I could get this. Alright, well, we're all gassed up. Got the Sport Hog gassed up. Now we're going to get back on the road. I'm freezing already. I'm already, like, soaked, so I can't really get much worse from here, right? Can't get more soaked than soaked, I guess, right? Is drenched more soaked than soaked, or is soaked more soaked than drenched? Damn it. I was hoping I could roll into it, not get caught in that little pothole thing. I get fucking home and my nipples are just gonna fucking fall off. It's not gonna be cool. Like, oh, is that a roly-poly on the ground? No, that's my fucking nipple, dude. God damn it. Oh, debris. Gotta watch out for the debris. These tires are so confidence inspiring. If you guys ride, like, in wet conditions ever, I would highly suggest getting these Michelin Road 6s. They're so grippy. I've yet to have any sort of tire slippage or anything crazy happen. Someone just lost their license plate. What the hell? There's just a license plate sitting on the ground. But yeah, they're grippy as hell. They apparently last a long time too, so that's cool. I can't really tell you. I've only been running these for like 1,000 miles, so still pretty fresh for me. And I forgot how much your visor fogs up when it rains. It's been a while since it rained here. It's been like a month since I had to ride in it, actually, though. Like, an actual decent amount of it. Maybe not quite a month, but whenever you get a nice break from it around here, it feels like forever because you get it so much here. I am a little bit scared, not gonna lie. These people are not gonna be checking their blind spots. And I cannot see that great, not gonna lie. See what I mean though? Me positioning myself this way, multiple people have had their turn signals on. They saw me. Will that work every time? No. But so far in my experience, if you get like closer to the middle as you can when there's a bunch of merging going on, usually they're gonna look behind, like down the middle line, you know, so they'll see you usually. Hard to tell when people are fucking actually braking around here too, because it is like to check their brakes every 5 seconds around here. So you're like, are you braking? Are you not braking? Are you hard braking? Are you crashing? What's going on here? Oh, I'm like halfway there, a little bit more than that. But wow, as far as the freeway goes, I'm like halfway freeway. Why is damn. This is no good. No good. Ah. Beeper ahead. Get in front of you, car. Look out here. Oil. Gnarl all over the ground. Gnarl. I hate when people ride this lane when they're supposed to get over anyways, trying to like wait till the last minute type shit. It's like, nah, bro, just get over. Holy shit, is it hailing? Oh my god. Ow! It's getting me in the neck. Ow! Ah! Help! Oh, I think it is hailing. Oh my god, he just helped himself to getting over in front of me. Oh my god, everybody's braking, everybody's doing crazy shit. Oh, I'm just gonna stay here. I normally don't mind riding in the rain, to be honest with you. I don't love it, but this has gotta been the worst time I've ever had, for sure.
What a crazy ride. Not just talking about my life, talking about that ride. It wasn't that crazy. It was pretty chill, to be honest with you. Oh, I am completely soaked. Alright, you guys, this is probably where I'm going to call it. Thank you guys so much for watching me suffer through this. Please drop a like. Please drop a comment. And the most important thing, please subscribe. I suffered through the rain for this video, so please make it worth the boys wild. With all that being said, I love you guys. Take it easy. Lizard out!